NFC football talk, Week 15. The Carolina Panthers face it, playing out the string against the Redskins, who have everything to play for. So let's play a little who do you trust?
Okay.
Cam Newton with nothing to lose against a Redskins defense that to me is still suspect.
I trust the Redskins defense at this point. They got a little bit of a pass rush. I know people, they don't have posters of Ryan Kerrigan and
the showstopper.
The showstopper. I mean, he does do the thing.
No,
after each of the
It's
sack. What does
Shawn
he do?
Michaels.
I don't like that. Or Trent Murphy, or people aren't getting wild. They got a little bit of a pass rush here, and it's a bad Carolina O-line.
Well, I don't trust the Cam Newton with nothing to lose because, I mean, honestly, from a realistic point of view, the Panthers have had nothing to lose for a month now. And Cam Newton and the Panthers – you don't think so? I mean, the Panthers have been a suspect team for a long period. There's been plenty of time for Cam Newton to step up and say, I'm going to turn this season around, and it hasn't happened. The Redskins' defense is not fantastic. Let's start right there. But their offense, Kirk Cousins is the best deep ball passer since Week 7.
What a fall from grace for Cam Newton. MVP to a 53.5 completion rate. The worst in the NFL this season. He has not played well. I trust the Redskins defense.
Wes, what about you're big on the Giants' broken offense. You got a broken offense in Carolina. Your boy Ron Rivera's got to get this thing figured out.
He'll have a whole offseason to get it figured out because they're going nowhere.